Kelly from KMV Travel, and today we are checking out a room at the Westin Anaheim. This is a hotel that is located within steps of Disneyland and is one of the best options for families that are looking to stay off property but want more of a luxury upscale feel. Now this is a standard room, so when you walk in, you have a nice area here with lots of space, so lots of space to put your baggage. And then you do have your bathroom over here. You are going to have a split bath, no door on the water closet, but you do have that area over there, the nice big area to get ready, and beautiful shower as well. As you walk out of the bathroom, this is where you're going to have your closet. So of course you do have your robe in here. And then over on this side is where you're going to have the safe, some drawers, and then your iron and your ironing board. As we move over from the closet, this is where you're going to have your coffee beverage station. So there is going to be some wine glasses, some other water glasses. And then down below, this is where you'll have your beverage cooler. And then of course your Keurig up here too. There are select connecting rooms, so you do have that option here. And then as you move around to this side, this is going to be, of course, the main sleeping area. So you have your bed here. You will have your side tables, lots of outlets, which is always nice to see on both sides. Then you do have a couch seating area over here, and then a table as well. As we move over to our view here, we have a standard view. So we are just looking out over to the convention area, but you can actually get views that are looking out onto the park, the theme park. So you look out onto Disney's California Adventure. You'll be able to see the fireworks from there. So really nice option if you are planning to spend a little bit more time in the room, or you just like to have that when you come back at night. So like I said, this resort is going to be within walking distance of Disneyland. If you do look on the Disneyland Resort, you'll see that it's going to be a little bit more of a walk than some other locations are. That's because it's sending you basically around to the front of the theme park entrance. If you do want to enter in the downtown Disney entrance, which is going to be about a 7-minute walk, obviously much closer. You will still have to walk through downtown Disney to get to the theme parks, but the nice thing about that is that you're walking through property. You're not walking around the streets of Anaheim, so you're gonna be kind of enclosed. You've already gone through security. There's a Starbucks there if you wanna grab your morning coffee. So I love this option for families that are looking for a little bit more of a upscale location to stay, but want to stay off property, don't want to pay those prices for Disney maybe, want to get those Marriott points, whatever it may be. This is a great location for families. Lots of different room options. Like I said, this is a standard option, but they go all the way up to 2-bedroom suites and on. There is a club level, so lots of different opportunities for families for whatever your needs may be. If you'd like more information about this hotel or other options at Disneyland, please feel free to reach out to KMV Travel. Our assistance is complimentary, and you can find all of our information below. And as always, be sure to like, subscribe, and reach out for more info.